Welcome, guys. Today is Saturday, September 21st, 2019, and I am going to do virtual trading. It's a practice account, and yeah, just want to show you how I spend my weekends, just making sure I'm productive and still learning. Okay, so this is IQoption, and it's just a virtual account. Okay, and by the way, for those who'd like to have their stocks reviewed, we are going to have another session tonight, probably around 8 o'clock tonight. See you again. Okay. And let's chat again for your favorite stocks. We'll review them. But for now, I just want to spend time practicing. And then, of course, I want to involve you and I'll share with you how I practice using this portal. Hi, Wiki. I remember you mentioned one time that you also created an account in IQoption. Are you also trading in this account now, virtually, or are you exploring the live account as well? I mean, the real environment. But this is just a practice account, okay? Just drop a comment if you have some questions, okay? Because we're just practicing here. Okay, so we're currently, this is currency pairs, Forex, and this is a digital options trading. And this is the only, from what I know, the only portal that has a virtual account that's, you can trade over the weekend. So before we start practicing, let's first plot our key areas, right? So let's use a 30-minute time frame. So let's screen from top to bottom, okay? Let's plot some lines. Okay, so this could be resistance. Okay, now screening it from top to bottom, do we see another important line there? I see another one around this level. Yep. And another one, 1, 2, another one over here. Oops. Let's just plot those key areas because later on it will make sense when we enter trades. Let's have another one over here. Okay. So this time around, I think this is already good. So you first have to look at the longer time frame to see the overall direction of the stock or the currency pair. And then you can go to a much faster time frame and following the same methodology. The indicator that we are using is the Bollinger Band. So following the trading concepts or trading strategies using the Bollinger Band, we'll enter trades this time. Okay. And here you can set your time frame or your duration. So I think this stock is, or this pair is still going to dip. And in the shorter time frame, this one is the 1.247 is the support area. It's almost near the short-term resistance. So let's just wait for perfect timing. I'm also practicing in IQ option crude oil while learning how to navigate these apps. Yep, it's cool because you can really make use of your free time, especially during weekends. I know a lot of us are working, and weekends are the only days we can do practice sessions. And a lot of the exchanges or platforms that we are using for live trading, they're closed. So this is a good option for practice. Okay, so if this triggers that, okay, and then let's see if it another candlestick will have oh, there we go. Then I can just take profit because this is the next possible resistance, and we are in the longer time frame, faster time frame. Okay, so that's a 5% gain. So let's wait for it to hit this level. I think that's a resistance over there. The sentiment here is already for more on selling. Okay, same line. Okay, it might dip. Oh, come on. Okay, it's already giving us some rejections at the near the resistance area. So I'm thinking it will go down. So that's why I placed a lower order. Okay, and take profit. But so that's the downside when your internet is not fast and you're playing with this type of trading where you have the fast time frame. Normally, it doesn't capture it does not execute what you want instantly. So I would sometimes refresh my time here so that it recognizes it, or it refreshes and gives you the right number. Oh, that's why the profit percentage is really low. That's why earlier when we already had a good gain, it still showed negative. So it broke this. So this should be your new support, but it broke that. So let's see if it will go back. No, it's not going back. This might continue to go down. So we're trading the 5-minute time frame here. Go on real account, please. No, I didn't put any money there right now. All you have to do is just change it to real account. And this portal will, will allow you to trade even with as low as $10. Because normally, I would just, put in the amount I'm willing to lose when I trade the real account here. But my main objective for this portal is just really for practice. That's the main objective. Do you know any other portal where it also gives you this option to trade during weekends? Just let us know. Share the information so we can also share it to everyone. So we're trading the 5-minute time frame here. So it's hitting the resistance we have plotted over here. And it respected that. There's a rejection in that area. So potentially it will still go down. Yeah. We still have 2 minutes, and let's see if it will continue to go down. Check out the, but you have an MA20 over here. So let's hope it breaks that. Okay. I don't normally trade when it's 77% because when you're already gaining, it takes a big move for it to show a green because it's only 77%. But normally, when you trade like real trade, trade in the real account, an ideal profit percentage would be around 91, 92%. And normally they do have that, but for some reason it's 77% for this period. Maybe it's the time of the day. I'm not really 100% sure what's triggering that. So we already have a 26% gain. There you go. Let's see if it will go down, further down. Yes. Okay. Yep. So imagine if you're trading it in a real account, you're now gaining 41% just in 2 candlesticks. The reason why the reward is higher than the regular trading, when you regularly trade stocks, because there's a time element involved. That's why in just like 2 or 3 candlesticks movement, you see a massive increase in the potential gain. That's because of the risk that is also involved here. It's really risky. Okay. So it broke the line that we've created again. So maybe it's creating a brand new support. So now we'll go back to the longer time frame and see how it actually looks like now that it has broken this support that we have created, and we ended with a positive gain. Okay, so let's plot some more, zooming out further. Okay, this is the because we see some consolidation in this area, and multiple times it stopped right there. Okay, so when I plot my support and resistance, I go from top to bottom, right? Screen from top to bottom, right to left. Okay, so you look at from right to left. See if there are instances when price stops at the same area. Okay, so I screen from the top in the longer time frame. Right, see that? I used a 30-minute time frame from top to bottom. From the top, I see 2. Okay, I plot a line. I scroll down again, looking from right to left, and I see 1, 2, 3. So I plot that, and I scroll down again. So I see that there is the price stops at the same area. So I plot that. It used to be a resistance and became a support. So that's how I screen my support and resistance. I look at from top to bottom, right to left, because you look at the previous performance and see whether there is a pattern in the behavior of the stock prices. And that's how we plotted our support and resistance. Now you see this, it's now giving us a support in this area, which is also used to be a support here, and then now it's respecting that. Okay, and then let's plot another one in this area. Okay, okay, let's just have that. And now when you're ready to trade, you can choose your time frame. So I'm inviting everyone. Later tonight, we are going to have a live, no, not live, but we are going to have another market insights session where we are going to review your favorite stocks. And you can just drop a comment here so I can, of course, prioritize you guys, whoever will request now. I'll put that on my list and we'll prioritize you. Okay? So it's creating a consolidation in this area, doing some sideways movement. So most likely we are going to experience a bounce soon with this in RSI showing price now increasing. Okay, while we were a little bit advanced. Your RSI is now moving in an upward direction. Here's my line, trend line. Look at that. Okay. So it's now moving in the direction that we want. And we have 10 minutes. Normally, when we have something like this and I'm already gaining, and it validated my assumption, then I just take profit. I don't really wait until 10 minutes is over or until the time is over. But the goal here is yes, our analysis is correct. So it's breaking that line that we've plotted. Take profit, 17%. Okay. I'm thinking it might go back in this line that we created earlier. Okay, so it's triggering this resistance. Okay, let's wait for it in this area. see if it will respect our analysis. Okay, in a much faster time frame, we are now triggering the upper Bollinger Band, so it might continue to go up. Okay. By the way, guys, we're inviting you to also like our YouTube channel. We are Miss JD in YouTube. Miss JD. Yep. If this is your first time here, we also record our or upload our videos in YouTube so that we have a reference. Like in the future, if I want to go back to my analysis, then I can use that for my own self-study, and you can also take advantage of that. What I would normally do is before the market opens, we record our live insights. I mean, our insights for our stocks. And after the market closes, I go back to that and then validate it. Just want to check if our insights are correct. And of course, the goal is for us to have accurate analysis every single time, because this is a skill that we're trying to form here. And I am involving you guys. So the more consistent we are in doing this every day, then we will eventually become good at it, right? We'll improve our execution, our discipline, especially in the area of stop loss, cut loss. There you go, right? But what you're seeing right now is just a practice session with me. And this is how I use my Bollinger Band in my trades. Okay. So currently it's doing some sideways movement. It did not, well, I was not able to take profit when the price reached this level. And it broke that now. Looks like it is respecting this support that we have. And it will eventually go back. Normally it's when it gives you an upward movement, it stabilizes, dip a little bit before it goes up again. It's your MA20, right? Your MA20 is acting as a resistance in this situation, so it will try to stabilize first here. Let's see if it will not break that, otherwise it will land right here. So it's already positive, but because it's only 77%, it's still showing 0.06. Because the profit offering is only 77%. Hey. So this is what we call scalping. You take profit in just a few seconds. Sometimes in just a matter of one candlestick, you take profit. There you go. Wow. Super erratic movements. Okay. Trading is such a, for some people, I don't know, they might see this as a boring activity, but well, for us, like the, people who have the same passion and interest, uh, there's a portal, or there's a venue where we can share our insights, and we share what we know, but for some people, they can't relate with what we're doing. But for us, it's really giving you excitement, especially if you're using your real money here, then the excitement is magnified. But we're just using a practice account, that's why, chill. So if you have like this one, we had wrong analysis here, or maybe I did not take profit when it shoot up. Same thing here, I did not take profit. The reason for that is because it's giving us 77% profit potential. Hello, Rizal. Okay, come on. I think you can give me a positive here now. See that? It's already above, but still giving you 0.03. That's why I'm not taking profit. But with options trading, even if it's just a small, like if the price is really really close to your entry price, and it goes your direction, right away it will give you 77%. Okay, right, like that. So now let's see if it will continue to trigger that. It's giving us a hard time. Okay. Wow, looks like our entry here will have a chance. By the way, if you are available tonight at around 8:30, yeah, I'll also post it on our wall. At 8:30, I'm going to go live again for our weekend episode of our Market Insights. We're going to review your favorite stocks. How was your trading last Friday, guys? Let's see. There's 43 seconds left. Let's see if MA20 will be respected in this case and will give us a good bounce, and it did. Take profit. Too slow. Let's see. Let's try one more time. No, it broke the line. Come on. Looks like we are going to win. Let's see if we'll continue to go down. All right, it went in the direction we want. Okay. So, hi, Marcel. Yes, I'm definitely going to include JFC, MBT, and MPI in tonight's session. Okay, guys, so 8:30 is the time. Set an alarm or marker here. Yeah, set an alarm at 8:30 tonight. We are going to have our Market Insights weekend edition. And I'm going to include first on our list is resales request, JFC, MBT, and MPI. Uh, die ditch did ditch. um, The app that I'm using is IQOption, and this is a trading site as well, an online trading site. You can trade stocks here, cryptocurrency, and a lot more. But what I'm using is the um, options trading feature that they have on site, because this is available during weekends. So we're using that, and we're just using a practice account. Just take note, that's not my real money. It's a practice account. Okay. Hi, Geraldo. Yeah, join us. We're practicing right now. So I entered at the MA29. Let's see if it will respect that. We bought the profit percentage offering that they have, or the profit offering that they have, is only 77%. So even if you're already moving in the direction you want, it will not right away show a positive or a green, because you're still very close to your entry price. It's, when you trade this, trade when it offers around 91 or 92% if you want to use your real money. And when you trade this type of this type of trading has a time element. So in 12 minutes, the price has to end in the direction you wanted. So I said that it will go up. So like 0.01 cent above it is already a profit, and it will give you 77% whatever you entered here. So we use just $1. So it will give you 0.77 cents, right? Okay, I think that is it. Just I think, yeah, for those who are interested, this is also available in there is an app for IQOption, and you can download it on your phone and trade anywhere you like. And this is not a sponsored account, guys, or it's not a sponsored video, so I'm just using it because of it's available over the weekend. But if there is any other portal that you know that we can use for our practice, feel free to share, and we can explore that as well. Okay, I think that is it. Thank you for spending time with me. I'll continue to practice offline, and feel free to drop a comment, because this will be a recorded video. Just make a thread, drop a comment for your favorite stock, because tonight at 8:30 we are going to go live again to review. Okay, please don't forget to also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Miss JD. Okay, Miss JD's waiting for you guys in YouTube. And bye bye for now. Okay, see you again later. All right, bye bye.